Hi guys, welcome back to another video Command 200. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit in an edit software. So let's go. So now I'm gonna show you how to edit in edit software by using Olive. So this Olive is for beginners who plan for making YouTube videos or making a YouTube channel and want to put edited videos. So yeah. So the first thing, of course, you need to go inside the Olive. It will say welcome to Olive, and here, and get the bigger screen, and here it is. So the screen is very empty. The only thing you need to put, actually you need to put the files that you needed to put on the video. The first thing I need to put, for example, the audio first. I go to file and click import, and then I'm gonna do my intro. So this is my intro, and here it is. I need to put it down here, and boom, this is the intro. Now I need to make a voice track, or actually I made a voice track. So I'm gonna use any old voice track here. I'm gonna use any voice track, but actually I'm gonna show you other way to import it. The first thing, you go there and make this thing smaller, and use I have here my voice tracks. For example, I'm gonna use one data. Now I have you can't use the screen. This is actually the video, but you can't use it. You can't use it because if you used it, it will not accept it, because actually the first thing you need to install the audio, and then you need to install the output. So now this is why data folder is there. The first thing, I need to drag the audio there. So here's the audio, but it's when this white line is up, click it like that, because it says that it didn't connect to the it's connected now. It's already connected to the other track. And then you need to drag also the output. If you don't need the output, never mind. But yeah, here. So now I got here my output or thing. If I want to squeeze anything, if I want to do anything, I can uh, I can drag it here like that. I can drag it here like that, and I can go file again and go import and go, for example, Mac the colorful screen. Click it here like that. So I want to make a little bit of place here, for example, here. Here, for example. Now I need to delete most of this because I don't need all this time. So now I'm gonna use the thing. Just go to the edge of the track and push it like that. It say the duration is 2 second, like that, and 2 seconds. I'll just put 1 second here and connect it back here. I connect it back. So if you want to check, go check the length of these two things. Yeah, so this is actually the length of this one is bigger. So I deleted most. So this one is smaller than this one. So I deleted I deleted some of the track. If you want to put it back, never mind. You can take this and stretch it back like that. Oh, so this is actually. Oh, sorry. I think. I think. Oh, sorry. So this is not the real output. So this output is not for this audio. So yeah. So this is actually different. So it's not the same. It's not the same video. So now if you want to make also a soundtrack, you can go to file and import, and also make it. You can download its soundtrack. So a static TV screen transition effect, and drag it here, put it here. So if you want to check up here, for example, skip the and click it here like that. No, click here, here. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back.
For this, so actually I just did that. So I put here. I cut between these two things and put this in. Did that. So this is actually very good. Now if I want now to put an ending, it's also the same situation. You need to go there. If anybody told me what you do here, actually this is if you want to check the video. So for example, if I want to put here and here, for example, it shows me the photo. If here it shows me the photo. If here it shows like here,
Hi guys,
it shows me the voice. If it's here, it shows me the voice. So yeah, this is what it does. This is actually not the video. This is a video. If you want to make for example the screen bigger, you can put for you need to click on the track. For example, this is the track. Here it is. It showed me, and then I need to bigger like that. So the video will become like there. And then what you need to do, you need to go here. If you want to put an ending or something, now I'll just put it like for now like that. And that's gonna do something, I think. Wait a minute, this is actually the video yeah, this is the video between the yeah, this is the video. So actually I stretch it, and here, boom. Now what I need to do, I want to make an ending. The first thing, I need to go to file and go to import again, and then I have here, I downloaded an end for myself, and here end. So actually it says here end, and let's put it like that, and boom, I made a video. Now let's gonna check everything. So let's see, for example, the thing.
is it
Video.
you?
I'm gonna check this is the video that I want. This is the video that I want. Yes, this is the video that I want. So I can put it here and drag it here, and I made a video. So this is actually how to make a video in Olive. If anybody is a beginner, if anybody of you guys is a beginner, and you want to make an edit video, or you want to edit video and put it in the YouTube channel, you can actually do that with Olive. You can only stick and do. Now if you want, for example, to export anything, you can go. If you want to export it or put in your file, for example, if you want to put this video in the file, you can click here export. Don't put import, just put export, and show you this thing. The first thing, you can leave all this by itself, but only one thing you need to change, which is the quality, CRF, because this is me 36. When the number gets bigger, it's like a little bit of like a bad. So now it says that the 0 is lossless, the 17 to 18 is visually lossless, compressed but unnoticeable, 23 is high quality, and 51 is the lowest quality possible. So if, for example, you can change it to 20 27 23, for example, like lower than 36, it will be better. Above, it will be bad. So I don't need to export it because I made this video yesterday. So yeah, you actually need to put the export, and you can drag it to the YouTube studio. So if you want like to try, for example, if you want like to download or you put this video in a YouTube, you can go to the YouTube and go to the camera thing at the top right. Top right, there's a camera thingy and have a plus in it, and it have a plus. You click on it and say upload a video. You drag the video to the YouTube, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you guys to another video.
Is it you who I still ask for? Yeah. Can I put my lips on your skin, babe? I still